Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all see what I'm bringing to y'all today, a nice little soul food spread. Anyway, if you want to see how I put this meal together, then keep watching, and I suggest you grab a snack when you come back. So I'm going to start mushing my yams. Okay, so now that the hen is nice and coated, you're just going to slowly lower it down in your grease. Okay, just like that. You hear that grease cussing? Oh man, it's ready. Alright family, so our hen is done. So I'm going in with my big backyard barbecue utensil and I'm going to remove this bad boy. She is not trying to burn herself. Let some of that grease drain out. You know, see how pretty this bird is? You see her? Oops. Alright family, so we finally come to the end of our video. So here we go, our nice little soul food spread, which consists of some fried chicken. One is hen, and the other one is just your regular drumsticks that I fried. I also have some sweet potato cornbread there, as well as some seasoned brown rice. And in the back, I have some crock pot baby lima beans, and I also added some smoked neck bones to them. So family, woo! If y'all not hungry after seeing all this, I don't know what's going on. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching me put this meal together. And with that being said, I love you guys. Stay blessed, stay positive, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye!